Hey guys, coming to you from Thanksgiving morning 2025. Happy Thanksgiving all if you're watching this on the born on date, as we like to call it. Today we're going to talk a little bit about recyclers, MEI recyclers. These, or I should say this one, this is the series 2000 or 2700 as we like to say. We sell these as reman units. Obviously they're not available new anymore. They've been superseded by the Talos version, which I'm not a huge fan of. The Talos are very susceptible to any kind of weather, any kind of cold, any kind of heat, but more importantly moisture, i.e. laundromats, self-serve car washes. They don't fare that well. And of course dust we get and dirt in self-serve car washes and laundromats. So we stick with these, and what I'm going to show you here is how they operate in an American changer. A lot of people don't have bill breakers. Bill breakers, we sell a few every year. American makes the best. But we don't sell nearly as many as we think we should because they're kind of pricey. We have them listed on our website, but and those are by Triad, by the way. American bought out Bill over there at Triad a few years ago, and they're doing a sensational job. But anyways, let's get honed in on my mocked up test jig here. Get around my disastrous office space here. Alright, so what we're going to show you first. You can add a recycler to any American changer that uses what we call the U-board or the universal board. This is meant for one validator only and one or two hoppers. This is what it looks like. Let me just interject something here. You cannot tell the difference, but this board has been flashed, or not so much updated because it's brand new, but it's been flashed for the use of a recycler. The idea of a recycler is, how can I make this a little more, there we go. The idea of a recycler, and I'm going to turn our system on here. We've got another board around the corner there, it's coming up, is so you can take a 20, give the proper vend, which let's say is set for $5 in quarters. Well, then there's a $15 credit left over, but it spits it back in $5 bills. This unit, let's test it with just $1. So the recycler's not really doing anything except taking $1 and giving 4 quarters. Alright, as you can see, it did its job, but now let's do this. If we put a, well, we'll just go right to the 20. You'll see what happens here. It stacks it successfully. Two and three. There is the customer's change. Now, this unit, like any standard MEI, will stack the ones and the 20s. It will also stack the crummy $5 bills if somebody puts one in. It knows the difference. We're going to put in one more $20 bill just to show you it wasn't a fluke. Okay, here comes the third one. So the customer got $5 in quarters, $15 in currency, and that's basically how it works. Now, let me show you something else here. So we know the inventory. Oops, I'm a little bit tight here. All right. Well, we're down to one note that's in the stacker. So I'm going to add a 5, and you'll see that that number goes up to 2. These hold over 20 notes, and they are self-refilling. Alright, it should be on 2, which it is. And you can self-fill these. You go through the select button, and you can fill the $5 in there. I like to start them off with somewhere around 20. So here's what you have. You can put these in a single American changer from a 1000 all the way up to a 6000 or 6007, I guess. And as long as it uses a U board, universal board, not a Super U board. Super U board is not designed for these. Now if you have, let's say, a dual unit in your car wash or laundromat or anywhere that has two sides, like a 2221, what's the other one I'm thinking of, 2225, you would need to use 2 universal boards. Now also, if you have a dual, a lot of my customers, what they do is they put it in one side. You don't have to run it on both sides, but if you're buying an update kit, right now, 2025, prices could change at any time. The single kit, which is very popular, is enough for one side. Now that's with a regular MEI validator, 2700. I believe it's 1350. If you add the flash or the update for the U board and exchange the recycler for the regular MEI, you can add about 250 to that. So that brings it up to about 1600. If you have a dual, it's twice that. And like I said, if you want to change one side at a time, that's entirely up to you. So guys, a little bit of an update on how Recycler works. I will put a link in the description there on buying just a recycler or a single kit that has the options to add the recycler and the the regular U board with the upgrade. So guys, appreciate you watching. Have a great holiday season, and we'll see you on the next one. For now, Doug at Doug's World Tour. Out.